Hello, welcome back to Nittero Code. You all know that programs are just instructions a programmer gives to a computer, step-by-step directions that tells the machine exactly what to do. That's the simplest way to think about programming. We write instructions, the computer follows them, and together we make useful things. Well, those instructions are written in programming languages. A programming language is a way for human to express ideas so computer can understand them. There are many languages. Some are easier for beginners like Python or JavaScript, and some are closer to the machine like C or assembly. But no matter which language you use, the goal is the same: turn human ideas into precise instructions the computer can run. Programming languages differ in style and purpose. Some are designed for building websites, some for mobile apps, some for fast system that controls hardware. Behind every language, there is a process that turns your code into something the computer can execute, either directly or by translating your code into a lower-level form the machine understands. Now, learning to program isn't about memorizing every language or every rule. It's about learning how to think so you can break problems into small steps, and then express those steps clearly using a programming language. Once you can do that in one language, the rest become a lot easier to pick up. We will start simple and practical. We will cover the core ideas you need, show how they look in a beginner-friendly language, and build small projects that put those ideas to work. You will see how the same basic concepts appear in different languages, which makes learning new tools much faster. One more thing, I struggled learning from scattered YouTube videos and tutorials. I kept jumping between pieces and never found a clear roadmap to follow. So it took me a long time to learn how to build real professional projects. And that's why I created Nittero Code to publish full step-by-step roadmap that takes you from the fundamentals all the way to building large apps like Facebook or Instagram clones, including front-end and back-end and deployment. If you want serious hands-on guidance to become a real professional, follow Nittero Code and I'll guide you every step of the way. If you make it till here, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.